There's been some recent interest in aphasia because of some high-profile cases. What is it? And aphasia can present as a result of either trauma or a neurodegenerative disease. When it does present as part of the neurodegenerative disease, it's kind of like a form of Alzheimer's disease, but only affects primarily the speech area. Nobody understands exactly why only the speech areas are affected, but nevertheless, they are. And there are three variants. One is described as semantic, the other one is logopenic, and then there's agrammatic. But in all of these three forms, basically, the individual loses the ability to understand spoken speech, written speech. And there are some variations of this in which they misunderstand words or whole sentences or the grammar and the sounds that go with the words. It gets to a point where individuals no longer understand the purpose of things. So for instance, they will see a bottle and they'll drink out of it, but they will not realize that it's a shampoo bottle. So it becomes very, very disorienting for the individuals involved. There's a fairly strong genetic component in these cases, and thankfully, they're quite rare. But the common denominator is that they seem to also be affected in the same way that most neurodegenerative diseases are. That is, the deposition of tau proteins and the same proteins that are seen in Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative diseases.